Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Anjali. In today's video, we are going to see how to load the trial balance using template in data management in PBCS application. So the template which we are talking about here is available in the application itself. So this is the template which we get under workflow tab in data management under data load workbench, data download template. So this is the kind of template which we see in which we have account center, which is the entity. We write entity in this column and description and current month. In current month, we put the amounts. All right. So in my previous video, I have shown you how to load the trial balance using Excel sheet. All right. So in this video, we are going to load through template. So let's get started and go to the application. We click on navigator. We go to data management under integration. So before moving further, let me show you my data file first. In this, I have used various accounts of asset. This is center in which I have given the entity 110, and in current month, I have given the following amounts. So we are going to load this trial balance data in our application. So in data management, initial steps are all same. Registering your source system. My source system is file. Moving next to registering target application. So my target application is TM underscore vision, and these are the dimensions which are present in my file. All right. So after doing that, we go to import format under integration setup. TM underscore IMF is the import format which I've already created. This is the source, which is file. File type is delimited numeric data. Target is TM underscore vision, and file delimiter is comma. So the most important thing over here is while loading the data through template, we do not have to map all the dimension members. Like in our previous videos, as you all have seen, we have mapped all the dimension members like account. We map here in the source column account and give the field number which is present in our data file. Likewise, we have done for all the dimension members present. So in this, by loading the data by loading the data through template, we do not need to do that. We do not map any of the dimension members. Next, we move to location after saving this. All right. This is the location which I've already created, LOC underscore TM. All right. So this is the location. This is the import format which I have given all the necessary detail, and then we click on save. Straight away move to workflow tab, and under data load mapping, choose the correct location. So this is not the correct period. Choosing the correct period is of utmost importance, because if we do not do that, we'll not get the correct data and the data load will not be successful. So here I have used the like mapping for all the dimension members. As you can see here, I have used star to star mapping, and in the accounts which are not explicitly mentioned in my file, I have mapped it with giving the name of the target. Okay, so like in HSP view, I have given base data. In product, I have given no product, and in version, I have given working. So we click on save, and then next we move to data load rule. So this is my data load rule, DLR underscore TM. Categories current. This is the import format. Target plan type is plan 1, and file name is trial balance. You can choose your file by clicking on select and upload your file from here. Okay, so this is my file trial balance 2, which I've already chosen, and have run this file DLR. Click on execute, and when we click on execute, we get to see all these information: import from source, recalculate, export to target. Choose the start period and the end period. In import mode, we choose replace, and in export mode also, when we check to export to target, we get to see export mode, which is replace data. So why are we doing and choosing replace data? Because it will replace all the figures which are currently present, and then we get to run this. Okay, so once we run this, if we see this sign as green check, it means that our data load is successful. We can check this in data load workbench. So as you can see here, the 3 golden fishes: import, validate, and export. All right. all the accounts are mapped correctly, all the dimension members, account, entity, version, product, HSP view, and amount. So this is how you can load the data through template. I've also made the smart view of it, and see, we can see here in our smart view, all the members, account members are showing the correct amount for which we loaded the data. These are the correct amounts. Okay, 45650. We can validate this figure from our smart view. Marketable securities, accounts receivables 45870, 12560, and allowance for bad debts, which is 25,000. So this is how you can load the data through template in data management. So thank you and have a great day.